Able to hear my voice properly now?
Yeah. Is
Okay.
this Kanmani?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, am I pronouncing your name right? Because I'm not sure.
Yeah, you can you can call us Kanimuri or Kani. That's fine.
Okay. That's okay. That's good.
So
Okay. Go
now I
ahead.
am going to discuss about PeopleSoft HRMS. Okay. So this
Uh-huh.
is a ERP tool. ERP means nothing but Enterprise Resource Plan. It's a full and full. We are going to discuss about the how the organization are using the process and how the organization are maintaining the data, employee database, and how they are doing the transactions, HR process flow. So all the HRMS product we are going to discuss under the ERP. We have a different ERP. One is the SAP HRMS and PeopleSoft HRMS and Oracle HRMS. So everything, the concept are same only, human resource management system. But PeopleSoft, it's a very user-friendly tool and very easy to understand the HR functionality. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So we are going to discuss about PeopleSoft HRMS. So why we are need to use the ERP? First we should know the what is the concept of ERP for management purpose, and this is a better solution for the HR product, and we cannot do the repeat process, and cost control also it's very low, and the PeopleSoft easy to satisfy the customers. That is why we are using the ERP tool.
Okay.
So last 10 years back or 15 years back, they used the manual things, hard copies and Excel and the Word. Uh, so these are the things they used. They don't know whether the file is integrity or any security or any duplications. So PeopleSoft it avoiding the everything. Okay, it's a general and it's providing the good security database and very easy to management the HR things.
Okay.
Okay, now we are going to discuss about the PeopleSoft. PeopleSoft also is one of the company providing the human resource capital management system. So HR process and CRM process and financial. Okay, so every customer relationship department and the finance department. We have a different teams working together in our organization. For all the purpose we have to use PeopleSoft. Okay, so we are the first department, HR department, human capital management, or we call it human resource management system. So this is the PeopleSoft history. When it is started, 1987, the PeopleSoft started, and now the version has changed up to 9.2. So now we are going to use 9.0 version. Okay.
This training is you're giving is 9 or 9.1?
No, this is a demo section only.
No, I mean if I join the classes and what version will be?
9.1.
Okay. Yeah. That's right. Okay.
You need to install the software 9.1. That will be fine. Now the latest version changed to 9.2. So every company using 9.1. So that will be fine, right?
Okay. Yeah. Right.
So so now I'll explain you what is the usage of the PeopleSoft. Okay. So every team working together in the PeopleSoft project. So the first one is the human resource capital management. Okay, human capital management. So what is mean human capital management? Okay, actually human capital management is the first level of the department, and we are the central model of the PeopleSoft. So other team depending us only. Without our data, other team cannot pull the database from. Okay. So without employee information, no one do any process, finance, either customer relationship or learning management, absence management. So we are the HR. So first we need to track the employee information, applicant information. Then only other team will do the process. Okay. We PeopleSoft HCM is a very hub. Okay, the central model of the PeopleSoft, and very easy to integrate with the other application. Other application means nothing but other departments. Now I told you, right, the finance team, payroll team, absence management team. So easy to integrate it with other applications, and it allowing to do the HR transaction. HR transaction nothing but from the hiring to termination process. So it's very easy to do the transactions under the PeopleSoft HCM. Next, what are the functionality under the PeopleSoft HCM? Mainly we are going to do position management. Position management, nothing but before applying our profile to any job, okay, before applying our profile to any company, first we need to gather the information. What is the vacancy, what is the department, and what is the destination for them, and how much they will give the compensation. So these are the things we need to collect the information, right, from the Naukri portal or Google portal before applying the profile. Yeah, the same process we are going to do in the position management. Okay, before releasing the job opening detail, we need to create the position detail, and we need to get the approval from the hierarchy people. Then we'll release the information to the Naukri portal and the Google portal. Okay. So after they created the position management only, the applicant will come and will do the recruitment process, and then only once they are selected in the position management for the particular position, we'll do the hiring process. Okay. The first position management and the recruitment and the hiring process. Then once the employee hired, so we need to give the employee benefits and the compensation. So without employee benefit, without a compensation, no one will join, right, in our organization.
Yeah, right.
So we need to maintain the employee benefits and the compensation data. Another thing, in PeopleSoft HCM, it providing one offer for employee and manager. Employee self-service and manager self-service. That means every employee having access to update the personal information for themselves. That is we call as employee self-service. Suppose you want to change in your personal information, any marital status, communication address or phone number. So you have access to update the information in PeopleSoft HCM. Okay. So whatever updated the information, as per the business policy, it will flow to the other team also if required. And manager self-service. So who are getting the manager role, the manager also will do the transaction under the PeopleSoft. Okay. So every manager will give the approval or deny the process based on the employee request. Okay, example, you are an employee, suppose you are going to raise a leave request, you need to get the approval from the supervisor, right? Yeah, first you raise the leave request, then mail will be triggered to the manager, then manager will give the approval process, then you will get the confirmation mail. So your supervisor was approved your leave request. So this is the process flow. So these are the process flow we are going to discuss in the PeopleSoft HRMS course. Okay. And HR functionality and it providing the I9 process. I9 means nothing but iterative process, or we call as batch process, schedule process. Batch process means nothing but it providing the, it generating the reports. Okay. Example, if you want to know how many people hired last year, how many people terminated last month. So we cannot go and check manually, and we cannot go and check in the front end for every user. So why we need to give the parameter only. So our process is either terminated or hiring. Okay, we need to give the parameter. So select the process name and from date to date and run the process, and you will get the report immediately. Okay, within 5 minutes we will get a database. So example, 100 people terminated means, so 100 people database will come under the report. You can see the database under the report. Okay, this is called the I9 process. And how employees are paid. So what kind of payroll we are going to use in the HCM? We have a different types of payroll. NA payroll, it's applicable only for US people, North American associate people only. And other than NA payroll, on-site employee will use the global payroll. So example, UK employees will get the global payroll. And we have another option, payroll interface. Okay. So we have a different types of payroll based on the country. And and one more thing, finally we are going to discuss absence management. So every organization, every employee, at any point of time they can raise the leave request. Right. So what are the leave programs? What kind of leave we have? So how to create the leave request, and where we need to create the leave request, and who will give the approval process, and before raising the request, what are the things we need to check. Before raising the request, we need to check whether the leave balance is available or not, right? So without leave balance, the employee cannot do the leave request. So that then that things we are going to discuss under the absence management, right?
Okay.
Next, this is the process flow of the HCM. How the HCM working? Okay. The first talent management team will do the position management, and then they will do the recruitment process. And once applicant selected, then go for the job management. Job management, nothing but the HR will give the where you need to work, where is the work location and the job information, and what's the compensation detail. So everything updated under the job management. Okay. So once join the company, definitely we will provide the benefits. Okay. So before giving the benefits, example benefit means, any idea?
Any benefits like the vacations or the leaves or the medical benefits?
Yeah, leave also one of the benefit, and life coverage. Any
Yeah,
accident
medical
coverage, dental.
Yeah, medical
Okay,
benefits.
so these are the benefits based on our company to company and client to client. Okay.
Yeah.
So before giving the benefits, we have one department, benefit administration. Benefit administration, say they will create the what are the benefit plan, and what are the hospitals we are tie up with in the company, and for female what are the leave category, and male what are the categories, and what are the benefit program, dental, life coverage, savings, insurance. So all kind of activity under completed by the different team. Okay, the science team, actually the insurance team will take care of the benefit administration process. They will create the tables under the benefit administration. Once they create a table only, we can select the particular benefit plan for the employee. Okay, this is the setup process, benefit admin means. Okay, so after setup process completed by admin team, the HR can select the particular benefit based on the employee job role. So employee having a limited coverage, 1 lakh or 2 lakh. Suppose you are going to promote manager, your limitation will be increased. Okay, so coverage will be high. So once we selected the benefit and work location, everything, then it goes for the payroll process. After employee join in the organization, employee should get the salary, right? So how the payroll are working? So you need to go to the payroll process. So the payroll process linking to the benefits and job management and absence management and time and labor. Because so employee suppose taken any absence leave, any leave for the particular period, they will deduct the salary. And without timesheet submission, they will not do the payroll process for the employee, particular employee. Otherwise, it will be hold only.
Okay.
And next, so in payroll, the payroll team will pull the data from us, job management, who is the employee and what is the destination of the employee, and what are the benefits, default benefits, and how many days leave taken from the absence management, and whether the employee submitted the timesheet or not. So these are the data needed for the payroll process. Okay. And integration. So we are the central module. The other teams are integrated with us. E-profile nothing but the employee level, employee transaction, manager transaction. Okay, integrate with the HR process and the recruitment solution. Okay, talent management solutions, recruiting process also integrating with us. ELM means enterprise learning management. So every organization they have a one department separately for learning purpose. They have a academy, enterprise learning management. This department also integrate with us. Then enterprise absence management, we call as CAM. So absence management team also one of the department. They are also linking together. They are also integrate with the human capital management. Okay. So all are pulling the data from us only. Employee name and employee personal database and the job detail. Okay. Next, this is the PeopleSoft screen look like this. Okay. So easy to navigate the links. No need to write any coding. It's not like a SAP HRMS.
Yeah.
This is demo section over. Do you have any questions or clarifications?
Yeah, actually I have many questions here. First, can you tell me what modules will be taken, like, in detail, like what kind of what modules will be covered in the process?
Employee self-service module,
Uh-huh.
manager self-service module,
Okay.
then core HR. Core HR is nothing but the company information. So before doing any process, we need to capture the high-level company information first. Okay. Suppose I am going to run one company. First, I need to design what are the departments I have, what are the job code I am going to create for the employees. So the basic information updated under the core HR. Then only we can use the particular values.
Okay.
Then position management.
Uh-huh.
How to create the position management, and once the employee is selected for the position, how to hire the employee for the same position. Then workforce administration. Workforce administration, this is the very important module in the PeopleSoft HCM. So HR only having the access to do the task, workforce administration. In this we are going to discuss how the HR doing all kind of transactions from the hiring to termination. Example, hiring, supervisor change, promotions, leave change, any data corrections. So all the transactions updated by under the workforce administration. The transaction updated by HR only. Okay. Employee and manager not involving in this. Then absence management. How to raise the leave request and where we need to check the leave balance, and what are the leaves whether approved or denied. We can check the leave history also. Then one more module we have, e-performance management. This is very important module. This is also high level important, will give in the PeopleSoft HCM. It's nothing but it's appraisal document. So once join the organization, so we need to prove our skill, right? How much we achieved our productions and quality. So based on our performance, based on our skill only, we can expect our good rating. Okay. So how the people are doing the appraisal document. So how to create the document and how to do the evaluation by the employee and manager. And when we need to create the document, where we need to select the rating. Okay. So that things comes under the e-performance management. Next, NA payroll process flow. Okay. NA payroll process flow. This is entirely different from the above module. It's only applicable for North American people.
Yeah.
In NA payroll.
Go ahead.
Either you can study employee self-service manager, core HR, position management, AWF, absence management, e-performance, or you can go for NA payroll. Okay. I'll teach you both. Okay, you can apply your profile for the above module or NA payroll. This is two concepts included in my course.
Yeah, actually, here when I was looking for a job, right? So I see they need all these modules, including NA payroll, and also they need the core HR and administrative workforce and all this. So if I'm leaving,
okay, I'll teach you the NA payroll. I'll teach you all the module. Okay, you can utilize your knowledge from NA payroll and other module. Okay. So NA payroll, I will teach you the basic concept of how to set up the table first. What are the tables needed for the payroll process? And second, we need to hire the people. Then we need to run the payroll calculation process. So we have 6 steps.
My question is, yesterday Sunita, she sent me that course content Word file. So I was going through that, and I see that in a like benefit modules, for example, it says factors of
Yeah,
module.
benefits also I'll teach under that while hiring a process.
Because actually it's not clear for me.
So
I don't know.
once we hire the employee, so the immediately we need to give the benefit process.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, but my question is, when I was going through the course details, it doesn't give me the detailed module chapters, Like in benefit modules, it just gives me to enroll in benefits and become a beneficiary. But in benefit modules, there are many subtopics, right? So only these two topics will be there, or you will give me more details in benefits and other modules, Because the subtopics, I just teach the two of them, enrolling benefits and dependent beneficiaries. Only these two you are going to teach, or you are going to in detail in the benefits?
No, actually I'm adding that enroll the benefit only. This is only enough for the HCM project. So that's what I added, only the enroll process. And we can enroll the employee benefit and enroll the dependent benefit, and we can check the employee benefit information summary page and the dependent beneficiary summary page. Okay.
So, like, for example, in the benefits thing, there are many setting the benefit plans, providers, and all those things will be dealing.
No, that and all comes under the benefits administration. You are telling about benefit administration. That is that comes under the benefit administration.
Yeah, actually, I'm looking for
No, I'm not teaching that benefit administration. So, as per the HCM process, create base benefits only enough for us. So, benefit administration. So this is a big model. Actually, this is one of the project will work for the benefit admin only. This is full entire insurance related things. Okay. So the doctor detail and what are the diagnosis we have to use, diagnosis code, procedure code, and in-network doctor detail and out-of-network detail, and who is the provider, and the insurance company detail. So everything tracked under the benefit administration only. Okay, this is also one of the big module, but I am not included in this course. Benefit administration not required in my course actually. This is enough for peoples of HCM.
No, actually. So that means basically you are giving just the overview, right? You are not going in detail in any module. Like any payroll also, it gives me just few steps. So, but you are not going in detail in any payroll. But because when I'm looking for a job here, if they want any payroll, they need all the they should be able to do all, like deductions and all the tables. Pay calendars, payroll IDs.
Yeah, I will teach under that. That comes under the any payroll process only.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, first we need to set up the table, HR table, payroll table. Then we need to run the pay sheet process and the pay calculation, and then pay confirmation. I'll show you the steps. Okay. Hello.
Yes, actually I'm looking for more detail because I have already been into one time, but PeopleSoft training, but I know that I didn't get much. I'm looking for in detail, especially in Ben admin and payroll. I want in detail course for this one. Ben admin and payroll. Any payroll. I don't want the global payroll, I just want any payroll. But I want in detail course.
Any payroll only you want, right? See, now you can see my course content. Hello?
Yes,
yeah, Kavita, one second, you listen here. Yeah, this is my course content, okay. These are the topics I am going to cover in your course. Okay, this is the first introduction of that. Then employee self-service task, then manager task, then core HR, what are the tables we are going to see, then position management, then administration workforce. Okay, so the main transactions. Next,
Okay.
absence management. Here, performance management. What are the things we are going to discuss? Okay, then benefits model. So enroll in benefits, dependent beneficiary. Only the two things we are going to see in the benefits. After creating the enroll in benefits, we can check the benefit summary page and some dependent beneficiary information and claim, whether the process, we can check the claim status also. Next, compensation module.
One second. My question is, well, what's the benefit modules? You told me you're going to teach me how to enroll in benefits, right? And how to check the benefit summary, right? So you're not going to teach me about complaint rules or how to set up the plan. Hello.
Yeah, tell me again. I will get you.
Yeah.
No, this is only enough for my course. Actually, if you want to, actually this is HR course. If you want to move payroll only, so you need to full concentrate in the benefit admin and the benefits and the NA payroll, not required to the other module. If you want the HR module, not required for benefits and the NA payroll. Actually, we have two department course. One is HR course and the payroll course. HR means actually NA payroll and benefits not comes under that. Okay. Absence management also. I am taking I included everything here. If you want a payroll department, so go and learn the NA payroll and benefits and absence management. That's only enough for that NA payroll process. We have two departments, HR department and a payroll department. HR means the above model, whatever I told you, ESS, MSS, Core HR, AWF, e-performance. It will come under the HR department.
Okay,
payroll
so
means just you go and learn the NA payroll and benefits, absence management. The three things only important for the payroll team.
So that means in your course you will not be covering anything much more in detail in the base benefit, right?
I can teach the base benefit. I can teach the base benefit and see here compensation, and apart from additionally I am teaching you process flow of NA payroll. Okay. NA payroll is actually payroll is a separate course.
Yeah, payroll.
NA payroll or global payroll, they will teach you separate course actually.
No,
NA payroll along with the benefit. Yeah, any one of that only you can. Yeah, any one of that only you can expect in all. Yeah.
No, any one of them they will teach, but for the in your course you are not including any payroll. Right? Only I am saying to include one of the payroll because it is very important for the job. They are not asking me only the core HR. They are asking me base benefits. They are asking me either base benefits.
Your voice is slow. Your voice is low here.
I'm saying when I'm trying to have a job, they are asking me.
Yeah, you try to get one course first, HR or payroll course. First you decide the HR module or payroll module. Payroll module means you go and learn full concept in the benefit admin and the benefits and the NA payroll. That's enough for you. Okay, which one you want going to decide? That's why I included the concept of process flow. The major 6 step I will teach you. Apart from this step also, I will tell you what are the NA payroll link we are using in our project, real time.
No, I'm saying is when I'm looking for a job, they want either they want other than the core HR admin workforce, they want base benefits and NA payroll. They're asking me they will do the base benefits and the payroll. So I'm not asking all the payrolls, but I'm saying just NA payroll and to include the base benefits in detail because it is required for the job,
Okay, you go and try to get a payroll department course.
Now my simple question I'm asking you. For example, the benefit module I see, right? We are in chapter 7, the fourth chapter 7, the fourth.
Again problem here, again voice is breaking, I think. Hello?
My question is, in the benefit module, leave about the payroll, okay? Leave about the payroll. I'm saying the base benefits, which is there in your
Okay.
chapter 7. So you just have two topics. I'm saying enroll in the benefits and dependent benefits. But in base benefits, there are many things.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So are you going to cover those or not? Like setting up the plan or the coverage course. No, my
You are
question is
asking that provider, yeah, you are asking that benefit plan and benefit plan type and coverage score and provider vendor, everything you are asking, benefit admin, that is.
no, that's base benefit. That also comes under base benefit.
Okay, actually benefits and all not required. Actually actually it's linking to the NA payroll team only benefits. Absence management and the benefits NA payroll only. Okay, NA payroll and global payroll. So the three module only important for the payroll team. Okay. So in our HR actually from my end HR part they will do the enroll the benefits only. Okay. We'll add a form only.
Okay, if I want, okay, so which course should I take? If I want base benefits or benefit admin and the payroll, just NA payroll in detail. So which part I should go?
No, I'm covering all the things to you. Okay.
No,
Hello?
but they are not in details, right? Like the base benefits, you just have to shift the topic.
Okay, the first. So 1 to 6, 1 to 7, 8 modules are, this is enough for you. This is for full and HR department.
No, because here I'm right now in Canada and I'm looking for a job because I want to go through the
See Kavita, actually once you completed this course you can apply your profile for many modules, not only for NA payroll. You can apply your profile for e-performance also one job requirement and AWF also one job requirement. You can apply your profile for many company for many modules, not only for NA payroll. But in some other institute they are taking only one module or two, three module only or 2, 3 concept only. They are not included all the modules. I included HR course content and payroll course content including in that. That's what I mentioned here payroll process flow. Okay. So you decide the course content first, HR course content or payroll course content.
Okay, yeah, that's
which
what
one
I
you want.
So if I want the payroll course content from your institute, so which one you will be covering or other people will be covering? If I don't want the core HR, okay? I don't want the core HR. I want the payroll course from your institute. So basically I'm looking for base benefits, benefits and the payroll. Only this week. I don't need the core HR or I don't need the other benefits.
Okay. NA payroll, I'll teach you the main steps actually. The first starting from the core table and how to do the pay calculation and pay confirmation, how to run the report and where we need to check the errors and how to resolve the errors.